New in Stella Architect 4.2 is the ability for the AI assistant to build models that contain arrays or build on top of models that contain arrays. Here you can see that we have a simple arrayed price times sales equals revenue model, arrayed over two locations, north and south, and three products. If I ask the AI to give me a variable that sums revenue by location, you'll see that the AI assistant will create for us a new variable, likely called revenue by location, which will use the appropriate sum function, placing the star in the appropriate location in the equation in order to sum across that dimension. All of this makes use of the open source project called SDAI that IC Systems is a major contributor to, building upon what's called the quantitative engine. And if we check back on the software, we'll see that the LLM is still working. But in a moment, it will generate the missing variable for us that we can then inspect and look at. This functionality is really useful for adding dimensions to models, adding elements to dimensions in models, or removing dimensions and elements from existing models. So here we can see we have our revenue by location, and we can see that we get some revenue with the star in the appropriate spot, summing across products, with location here in the final slot. So this is a nice tool for being able to work with complex arrayified models and to do management of the arrays within those models.